Yes. Oh, please, please, please.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm so fantastic. I'm so marvelous. Please, I'm looking for this house tenant.
Okay, hold on. Hey, I think I have so I'll talk to you later, okay?
Bye.
Can you please go back?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I'm looking for the tenant in this house.
No, this is my house. Like, I'm not a tenant.
Me? Oh, I don't think bro. Me have tenants na the field, you know.
Me patrol, yeah, fine. Me and the fee.
Aha, a field as an American.
Yes.
What the battery more? A field, but the cobra from a tenant.
No.
Patrol. Any nani say. Patrol, so you feel that there.
Okay.
Patrol, matra there. If it's a buakwasa, chamua, fakro for me na, matra there, just say. Any pa macho my dear when I decate organa. But if you have one, mentra dear muda. And I'm saying no. I was saying to me a day, a bar. Now I'm better be a more fractured than children do fear. Mamma crying, a master dear some child, my dear.
Okay.
What yes? Oh, me I'm a church and I want to be cry dear. My temple for baby, a dear, I can't come to children, a dear. And yes, I'm good to have how much of my dear. You to say yes, Ghana, your audio.
Okay, can you please dress well? Your color. Dress.
Oh, Debbie, may Bob from send me to me, Murphy, have I mean, more from me.
No, like, I mean, your color. Yes.
Hey. Are you dressing properly?
Yes,
are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. It's only Narkie to be and I'm a monkey to meet much of my dear mom.
Oh, I think some more Narkie to be like.
Okay, only a man, I'm
or like Bema Baku Mammy.
How old are me?
How old are?
How old are me? Omu age say.
Oh, okay. Baku, kitchen or 7 years, and at 12, and at 16.
12 years children. Okay. It is a quite a bit much of my young one.
Oh, why not? Why not? So we don't check your don't come
I don't connect my own to me. Only
your student.
Me student. Yeah.
Students. Okay. So what's your level of education?
And me bano. When the brand your mama and me catch any say, and can one fire Ojohn woman. But me who you so called name woman I bet and as a teacher need
I mean your level of education.
Me children me left me side some for one and I will say na me she.
No, like your level of education.
Your level.
Not my level, your level of education.
My level?
Yes.
Just I'm going to tell you, know.
Okay.
Said, can we tell you now? On the boom, say me almost so many at all.
Okay.
So you okay?
Can you please stay back a little? Hold on, okay.
Okay.
Narkie. Oh,
right.
Yes. Why? Energy.
What's up?
What's it? Or your teacher and look at how she has dressed.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I even asked him what was his level of education, and he was like, telling me now, me, Papa,
Pacho, my name is Casa Strela boy.
Okay.
Pacho, good.
Strela
boy, yeah. Yeah, Pacho, Nina say, me a teacher, my chin probably bread, dear. If you haven't tried, they will have that. And I'm saying, me, Banna, Sebia, more and crank kiss you are Nanka Macho, my dear mama. So I just, and went to buy.
Okay, so is this how teachers dress? Why are you in this?
I said, wait, exercise book. I'm actually no school.
No, I'm asking why are you in this? I'm not talking about the book. Why are you in this?
You say, I said, I'm going to buy it. And
Are you?
Are you talking to?
Okay. What's your level of education?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm going to sister. Ne can say me ban.
Stop it! What's the level of education?
Hey, are you waffle?
No, like no.
How'd you work from him?
I was here making a call.
Please work from me.
Who are you? Who are you tree? What you tree? But what you tree?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
What you tree? And translate man why?
Is that what your teacher needs?
Me a teacher, but me you should tree. Any house, any young one.
Oh, no,
Any double.
I'm not sure you can teach the children.
Let's match my dear.
Oh, to make sure, my dear. Oh, Chada Gomba, and me, my children know.
Listen to me. You want to come
Who catch an dear? How catch you straight like a magic? Because all the
okay. What's your level of education? Like, okay, who go school doing him?
Aha! Hey, madam, my school by 14 times. My class 1 can be 7 years old. Class 2, 8 years.
Okay, go on.
I'm really choked.
Now me person me hunu ade. Enti me tra class 1 sua ade sa 7 years. And I me capture ho nyina. And I'm call class 2, 8 years. And I'm capture any.
Okay, wait. So
I'm telling you my qualification. Listen to me, please. Minimum there. Me my course. We figure as well do
in which year did you complete your HS?
Oh, I Asantuma for.
Good. In which year?
IPT Asantuma for. You see what you call remember for when I call you birthday.
Please, in which year?
It's okay. You.
I think we'll call you, okay?
And then the number 0244.
Okay.
482.
Okay.
To the one.
So I'll call you, okay?
My phone in his charge.
Metro.
It's your number.
Okay, what's your name?
Metro, I'll call
What you
you.
say?
What's your name?
The first in the night, my mom told me.
What's your name? Like, what's your name? I'm Nax. What's your name?
What's the say?
Oh, God.
What is your name?
I'm able to answer what to say.
Are you really a teacher?
Oh, madam, who was all hiding me? Who hiding me?
Oh no, like, are you really a teacher? Like, you don't even know your name.
I can't allow someone like this to teach the
girl. What was all the name? Can be mommy. Oh, it will be any activity. Me,
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll call you, okay?
Mati.
All right.
Now you can no.
Oh, I'll call you. Nice to meet you.
Oh, okay. Wish me that was it's a patrol chat when I'm starting.
Like, I'll Metro.
Please leave.
I'll call you.
It's okay.
Okay,
it's
you.
okay.
Anyway, mommy Lola fair.
You would have Jaggies and River.
What did he say his name was?
We'll call you, okay? Okay.
This man to come teach the children.
Like, you don't even know your name. As a teacher, watch it.
In which year did you complete? What did you say?
About